Here's the Google TV Streamer 4K. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing to note is that you can set this up on any TV. It doesn't have to be a smart TV. It can also be a non-smart TV. As long as the TV has an HDMI port, you should be good to go. So out of the box, we have the wall adapter, the remotes. You have your batteries for the remotes. We have the streamer itself here, and we have some pamphlets here that we're not going to need, and you also get a cable here, USB-A to USB-C. Also note that you will need a HDMI to an HDMI cable that doesn't come included here, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and connect the streamer. First thing is we're going to use this USB-A to USB-C cable. This will give it power, so USB-C goes in here, and you have the wall adapter here, and we're going to plug this into the wall outlet. I just plugged it into the wall outlet. I see a light right there, and for one side of the HDMI cable is going to go in there. So let me get my new HDMI cable here. Just going to pop that in here. And the other side, you have to go back to your TV monitor, and on the back of the TV I'm going to insert the other side of the HDMI cable. I have one already in there, so I have two open here. So I'm going to do HDMI 3. Just going to go ahead and pop that one into there. So my streamer is not connected to my TV via HDMI. Now I need to go to HDMI 3 because that's where I plugged it into. Okay, so you want to go to source or input. You may have a button on your remote to go to source or input. I don't have one on this TCL Roku TV. So for me, I'm just going to go to the home page here, and then I'm going to go down. Oops. Let's see, it's HDMI 1. No, I think it's HDMI 3 it was. Let me just select that and see if it turns on here. Yep. So it says starting to pair. So we need to go help and put the batteries in here in the remote. Okay, so we can just go ahead and slide this part down, this back door, and just insert the two AAA batteries. Make sure you put it in the correct way here. All right. All of a sudden you get a check mark after you put the battery in. So your remote should be working after you put your battery in. And from here, choose your language. I'm going to go with English here in the United States for myself. Next thing is make sure you have your Google Home app downloaded and installed on your phone. Just go to your app store, iPhone or Android, doesn't matter. Just type in Google Home, and then the icon here looks like this. It says Google Home. Okay, download that and install that. After you download and install it, then we're going to go ahead and open it up back on your phone, my Google Home here. If you get a pop-up menu for your streamer, you can proceed that way. If you don't, it's no big deal. All you got to do is just go down to devices, and then we're going to tap on this little plus sign. It says add. From here, we're going to choose the middle one here, Google Nest or partner device, right there. Choose your home. If this is the first time you download and install this app, then you have to create your home wherever you live. I already have several in here. I'm going to use this one up here. I'm going to tap on next, looking for devices. And it said it found a Google TV streamer. We would like to set up Google so-and-so. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on next here. Now it's saying for us to scan the QR code. Okay, you can scan the QR code like this, or if not, you can go ahead and set up without QR code, and you have to use this like numbered this code, setup code down there. Okay, it doesn't matter what you use. Let me just try the phone, the camera here. Let me see if that one works first. Okay, yeah, that worked right away. It says we're now connected. Now follow instructions on the Google Home app on the phone. So this here pops up. Go ahead and read through that. If you accept, tap on accept. Same thing with additional legal terms. Read through that. If you agree, tap on I agree. Where's this device? Go ahead and choose it. You can always change it later if you wish to, but I'm just going to put bedroom on mine right here. I'm going to tap on next. Yep, that's my Wi-Fi information right there. I'm going to go ahead and tap on next, connecting to Wi-Fi. Same thing on the TV here. It says connected. Connected on the TV as well. Sign in with your Google account. Go ahead and read through that and then tap on continue. Okay, it says signed in. Software update. Your TV will restart and install software update while it restarts. Continue with setup here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and tap on continue here. Google services, use location, use usage and diagnostic. These are optional. Go ahead and read through that and go ahead and select it or untoggle it if you don't want it. It doesn't matter, okay? So for me, I'm good like this, and I'm gonna tap on accept on the bottom. And you can see what the TV's doing. It's system update is installing, step 1 of 2. Search across all your TV apps. So you can do no thanks, but we can just do allow now. Activate voice match on this device. It's optional, no thanks or allow, doesn't matter. For myself on this one, I'm gonna go with no thanks. Get personal results on devices at your home. Go ahead and read through all this here. And you can see under these devices will give personal results. I have a lot of other Google products on here. I can go ahead and turn on or turn on one, but for now, I'm just gonna go with no thanks for all of them. Choose your subscriptions, basically the apps that you want downloaded. Just choose what you have. And then it doesn't matter if you do it now. You can always download them later on as well. I'll just pick 2 here for now. And then I'm gonna go with next. Show in ambient mode. Select what to show when your display isn't being used. Basically like a screensaver mode. You can have a Google Photos, one of your photos on there. You can go not now with nothing, or you can just tap on art gallery there. Okay, and after you tap on that, it took a little while for the next to show up here, so let me tap on next here. And here's the art gallery. You choose which, you can have all of them, it doesn't matter. I'll just do those 3 or 4, it's fine. I'm gonna tap on next. You can always change that as well. Stay in the know, read through that and sign up if you want. If not, click on no thanks. You're almost done. Let's tap on next. Setup is finished. Complete setup on TV with remote. Okay, let's go ahead and tap on done. And let's see what we got on here. And then once you get that Google TV logo, just wait and eventually it's gonna show up here. It just says setting up your TV. And for the remote, control volume up and down as well as power to turn on and off your TV. So let's go ahead and set this up. You can do not now, but let's just go ahead and set it up now. Set up remote. What am I going to use for the sound? Well, I have built-in TV speakers, so I'm just going to go with TV on here. I don't have no sound bar or anything. So we're going to select TV. Branded TV. This is a TCL Roku TV. Just going to go down to the T's here, and there it is. TCL. Says I should hear music, so let's go next. Make sure the volume to your TV is up, okay? Oops, I had it on mute. Okay, so I can hear it. I originally had it on mute, and I unmuted it. Do the volume buttons work? Well, look at that. They do, so I'm gonna go down to yes right there. Now for the power button, so we're gonna go to next here. So listen to this one very closely, very carefully, okay? So we're gonna press the power button down here once, okay? This one right here. So we're gonna press it. Now, you have to wait at least 8 seconds before you go ahead and put the power back on, okay? So it's about 8 seconds now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and power it back on. And yeah, I guess the power button worked, okay? So did the power button work? Yes, make sure you're on yes here. Clicked on okay. And then go to next here, adding finishing touches. And it says, get the most out of your Google TV. You can read through here, but for me, I'm just gonna go down right to go to Google TV. Oh, loading error, let me retry. And voila, looks like we are in business, guys. You can see all your favorites right there. Anyway, we're all set up, ready to go. Any questions or issues, just comment below.